randomly given Hasmi, randomly given. Example, there are 10 students in the class, 10 students like out of 20 marks Hasmi, each got like different marks like 12, one student 18, 15, 20, 12, again 10, 12, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more. One more is Hasmi, let us take again one more 5, let us take one very less, let us take, no problem. Like that because different students scored different, no Hasmi?
Yes, sir.
So now Hasmi, in this, now this collection of data, random collection of data, we'll call it as a random collection of information. We'll call it as raw data.
Yeah.
Okay, by observing the students in the class, or like by noticing, like observing means what after the marks are given, just collecting the information. This is called random information. Okay, Hasmi. Means suppose for example, how many of them scored more than 5 means, more than 10 means you need to every time you have to check it now. Hasmi. How many are there like this?
Yes, sir.
Suppose here means I wrote only 10 numbers. Suppose if 100 students or like 50 students are there in a class, it is difficult for the teacher every time to count clearly who got more than 30, who got 2 parts, like who got more full lot of like that. No.
Yes, sir.
So this random collection of information, if so many numbers are there like this, as it will take time for us to collect the data in a proper way. Proper way means what highest, how much, how many students got highest, how many students got scored more than 15 out of 20. Like that, it will take a lot of time for it.
Yes, sir.
So from this type of data we'll call it as ungrouped data.
Okay, sir.
Ungrouped data means just the information is collected randomly and we'll just write it.
Okay.
There is no proper order 5 to like ascending order or descending, like you can see 5, 12, 18 again came down 15, 20, like it's just after asking the different people we'll just write the information.
Yes, sir.
Now grouped data means Hasmi, first itself when they are making the survey or when they are asking the students about the marks in the class or anything about the number of people in the colony, like that then first itself clearly write, if suppose if it is about the age of the people in the colony, they clearly write a column first only, age 10 to 20 years, or 0 to 10 years, 10 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years, 30 to 40 years, male, female, clear. All that data, if it is clearly first only written, Hasni, then what will happen? What is the advantage? They can easily tell how many people are there in between 10 to 10 years age, 20 years age, under 10 to 20 years, under 20 to 30 years, how many elders are there, how many old age people are there. It's very easy for the data, no?
Oh, yes.
So it's very easy for us if first only when they are making the what do you call it, survey and all about different things, whether it is marks of the students and all. It will be this type of data if we correctly organize and do it. Hasmi, we call it as what, Hasmi?
Good data.
Grouped data. Grouped means you can see here 0 to 10. These are called as class intervals. Means you are first itself arranging the data and increasing in a proper way. It's very easy for us to check the data in this way. Okay, Asmi? Because for example, how many old age people are there means directly we'll see 60 to 70 years, male and female.
Yes.
Same Asmi? Or
Yes.
60 or more of that. Like that, this type of arrangement of data is called as grouped data, just giving random information, like the numbers are just given there, whether it can be related to marks or anything, that is called as ungrouped data.
Okay,
So
sir.
main difference what you can see has in grouped and ungrouped, you can see here the numbers are arranged as per the wish order. They'll just collect the information. Here clearly we have some proper way where class intervals will be.
Okay, sir.
These are organized. Now this raw data, which I was like mostly random collection of information is called as raw data. This data only you can also make it into grouped, but it will take time for us. You need to arrange 0 to 5 marks, how many students, 5 to 10, how many, 10 to 15, how many, 10 to 20. From this data, you need to count and you need to write it as well. This used to do it in tally marks, if you remember, in smaller class.
Yes.
Tally marks. So that is what we will arrange the data into proper organized manner, grouped data. This ungrouped one only we can arrange it into grouped data.
Okay, sir.
So this is about the raw data, general definition of data as a random collection of information is called as raw data, and about ungrouped and grouped data. So now we have understood clearly the difference between ungrouped data and grouped data. In grouped data, mainly class intervals. Class intervals means what 10 to 20, 20 to the power.
Sir, could you
Okay,
repeat
Asmi?
ungrouped data? Could you repeat in ungrouped data?
Asmi, in a grouped data, we have class intervals of 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like the clearly organized data will be
Oh, okay, sir.
there. Yes, Asmi. Any doubt, Asmi? Have you understood the difference between grouped and ungrouped data? Asmi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asmi. This is the introduction, Asmi.
Okay.